स्टडी IQ में आपका स्वागत है। आज लर्निंग इंग्लिश इन लेस देन 10 मिनट्स में हम देखेंगे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वेज टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट मेन। वी गोना बी लुकिंग एट सम फ्रेजेस जिनका प्रयोग करके यू कैन कॉम्प्लीमेंट द मेन अराउंड यू, योर ब्रदर्स, योर फादर्स, एनीवन दैट यू नो, आपके फ्रेंड्स। सो यहाँ पर आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू, डू यू थिंक दैट ओनली वुमेन एंड गर्ल्स लाइक टू बी कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड? वेल, आप इसका जवाब कॉमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं। हाउएवर, अगर आप सोचते हैं कि ओनली गर्ल्स और वुमेन लाइक टू बी कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड, then you definitely need to reconsider it. You need to bestow men around you with compliments. You need to flatter them and make them feel special. या फिर praise वैसे भी करना चाहिए अगर किसी ने भी कोई अच्छी चीज़ करी हो. That just encourages them. यहाँ पर we're going to be looking at some ways, some simple ways. You always know exactly what to say. हम simply प्रेज़ कर सकते हैं, कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं by mentioning this phrase. You always know exactly what to say. That is indeed very impressive, or that's an impressive quality in you. You know exactly what to say at the correct time. You're an incredible person. You are की जगह हम you're an incredible person. You're an incredible person. आप बहुत ही अच्छे person हैं. That's amazing to know. You're a great listener. आप बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से बातचीत को सुनते हैं and you observe. You're a great listener. You're a great listener. I love the way you think and ideate in a creative fashion. I love the way you think and ideate in a creative fashion. I'm amazed to see your out-of-the-box responses to situations. I'm amazed to see your out-of-the-box responses to situations. इस प्रकार से भी हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. It's amazing to see how hard you work. It's amazing to see how hard you work, or you relentlessly follow your goals. You relentlessly follow your goals, which is amazing. Kudos to you. You relentlessly follow your goals, which is amazing. Kudos to you. I love how driven you are. I love how driven you are. ये सारी के सारी phrases का प्रयोग हम कर सकते हैं to applaud, to make sure that you're trying to show that they're goal oriented. तो यहाँ पर ये phrases हम प्रयोग कर सकते हैं to compliment someone who's very goal oriented or is having a proper direction in life. हम कुछ और phrases यूज़ कर सकते हैं like I'm so lucky to have a friend or I'm so lucky to have a father like you. So इस प्रकार से भी हम किसी को compliment कर सकते हैं, किसी men को compliment कर सकते हैं in our life. You have such a golden heart. You have such a golden heart, or you have such a good heart. You have a pure and pious heart. You handled the situation really well. You handled the situation really well. जिस प्रकार से आपने समस्या का सावधान समाधान निकाला या किस प्रकार से आपने उस समस्या को सॉल्व किया, that was really very appreciable. So इसी तरह से हम कह सकते हैं you handled the situation really well. So that is another way. That was so thoughtful of you. So if someone does something for you, maybe your dad's got you a cup of coffee after a heavy day of work, तो आप कह सकते हैं that was so thoughtful of you. That was so thoughtful of you. You can also say you're amazing at whatever you do. You can fix anything. You can fix anything. You're amazing at whatever you do. कभी कभी अगर we want to praise the physical features or the physical appearances को praise करना है तो हम इन phrases का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. You smell great. Your beard looks nice today. Your beard looks nice today. Have you been working out recently? Have you been working out recently? Because you're looking in proper shape. You have an impeccable style and sense of dressing. You have an impeccable style and sense of dressing. कभी कभी if you want to compliment that we're enjoying a particular person's company, particularly men की company, तो हम इन सारे phrases का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. You're the funniest guy I know, bro. You're the funniest guy I know. You make me laugh like no other. You make me laugh like no other. I totally or thoroughly enjoy your company, or I totally thoroughly enjoy being around you. I can't help but blush around you. तो इन phrases का भी हम प्रयोग कर सकते हैं to compliment if someone's funny and you enjoy being in their company. यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने कुछ ways देखे to compliment the men around you. आप comment section में mention कर सकते हैं which phrase would you like to use next time to compliment a man. So if you're already a man, to compliment another man, आप उसे लिख सकते हैं. आप मुझसे Instagram पे नीरजा रहेजा के नाम से जुड़ सकते हैं. And in case of any doubts in this video, you can mention that in the comment section.